And we're starting out with the best of these, the pioneer and market leader ChatGPT from openAI, powered by GPT-4o.
Did you hear the Apple announcement? They endorsed ChatGPT as the market leader. There are many clones out there, but now it is confirmed. ChatGPT is the front runner.
First, we built support into Siri, so Siri can tap into ChatGPT's expertise when it might be helpful for you.
Let us see a demo of how Siri integrates ChatGPT into it. But to ChatGPT 4o, the latest version.
For example, if you need menu ideas for an elaborate meal to make for friends using some freshly caught fish and ingredients from your garden, you can just ask Siri. Siri determines that ChatGPT might have good ideas for this, asks your permission to share your question, and presents the answer directly. You can also include photos with your questions. If you want some advice on decorating, you can take a picture and ask, what kind of plants would go well on this deck? Siri confirms if it's okay to share your photo with ChatGPT and brings back relevant suggestions. It's a seamless integration. In addition to photos, you can also ask questions related to your documents, presentations, or PDFs. We've also integrated ChatGPT into the system-wide writing tools with Compose. You can create content with ChatGPT for whatever you're writing about. Suppose you want to create a custom bedtime story for your 6-year-old who loves butterflies and solving riddles. Put in your initial idea and send it to ChatGPT to get something back she'll love. Compose can also help you tap into ChatGPT's image capabilities to generate images in a wide variety of styles to illustrate your bedtime story. You'll be able to access ChatGPT for free without creating an account. Your requests and information will not be logged.
How about the paid features of ChatGPT? Those are also covered by this announcement.
And for ChatGPT subscribers, you'll be able to connect your account and access paid features right within our experiences. Of course, you're in control over when ChatGPT is used and will be asked before any of your information is shared.
So, to use the paid features like generating an image, you need to use your ChatGPT Plus account and integrate that with Siri.
ChatGPT integration will be coming to iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia later this year.
I would like to hear your comments on this. Please subscribe to my channel and look forward to such purely technical content.